Hi, it's Lisa Gifford, and this is another Martelli Minute. Today, let's take a look at the Martelli Bone Pillow Template. The Martelli Bone Template set actually comes in 3 different sizes. You have the extra large, which comes with a fussy cut window, the large, our most popular size, and our small. Here are the 3 sizes. They make great toys and they make great gifts for your friends and for your furry pets. All of our templates have that amazing browning fabric, our Get a Grip non-slip material. So when you place this on your fabric, it stays in place. This is your fold line, so place this on the fold and cut out 3 sets. And then once you get them all cut out, just stitch them together, flip them out, leave an opening when you stitch it, and then stuff it and they're good to go. You can watch the video on the Martelli Notions page, or you can go to our YouTube channel. So go now and pick up your Martelli Bone Pillow Template at martellinotions.com.